Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to send a broadcast email. So this is very similar to sending an email campaign, but it's a little bit different obviously. So, if you want to know how to do this, just watch this video. Also, if you don't know how to get to this, you can watch my previous videos if you want to create an email list and all these different things. I made a video on all the different steps that you have to take before you get to this step. But if you have followed these, or if you just want to know how to send a broadcast email, make sure that you watch this video. So if you're wondering how to get to mailingboss, you have to go through builderall. They have something that's called mailingboss. So all you do is you click on here and then click enter. So then you'll be sent to this page, and if you're not on this page, just click on campaigns and you can check all the emails and you will get to this. So what you want to do now is you want to create new, because it's a new campaign. That's what you do. So what you do there is you create the campaign name. So the campaign name can be anything that you wish. Just type what your broadcast email would be. So for example, I'm going to type in example. Obviously you don't want to do this, but this is what you can do. You can type in anything you want. The next thing is type. You want to send a regular, because it's not autoresponder, it's a regular email. So just send this. Also, you have to have a list, an email list, just like we've covered before. So if you don't know how to do this, again, check out my videos on how to create an email list. This is the first video on this playlist. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do YouTube tutorial, because this is the fourth part of this series where I taught you how to make a YouTube tutorial. So the sequence you can choose if you have a specific sequence that you want to do. I'm just going to leave it on choose, but if you have some sequences that you want to have this on, you can have these as well. So I'm just going to leave it on choose because it's great. You can do that as well. And then you go down there and save and next. So now you have this. This is the email that you're actually going to write. So I'm going to write just checking out how you're going. And you don't want to write an email like this, obviously, but since this is a broadcast email where people will, you can write this if you're launching a new product, if you're launching a new YouTube video, if you're launching anything, or a new affiliate program that you've heard about, you can write about it on here. So again, this is your email. So then you save and next. So once you get to this step, you want to check that everything is okay from your name, because people will see your name. So if your from name is something that you don't want it to be, you can change it. Also, your email address, this is the same thing. The next thing that you want to do is you want to choose your from email. Now again, if you don't have a verified account, you will not have an email address in there. So make sure you do that before. If you want me to do a different video on this, I may have made it when you watch this video, maybe not. But you want to verify your email with mailingboss, not builderall. Builderall is different, even though it's the same company, and you go from builderall to mailingboss. But if you don't have a registered email in mailingboss, it won't work. So I have done it. So there we go. I choose my email, and this is what people are going to see. When they receive, it's to their email address. So if you have something, if you want something different, if you want to send it to Joe, for example, you can do that. But there's very few occasions where you want to do that, so I'll just leave it as is. Then you have the subject of your email, so just checking out. how you're going. So obviously you want something enticing so that people actually want to read your email, but you know, this is an example, but this is the subject of your email. Then you click on save and next, and you get to this page. So, you know, this is the time that you want to send it to. This is your time zone, so you can choose whatever you want. You know, you just do this. Today is the 15th, so it's very good. And, you know, so you click on it, and then you get to see where it is. So it's actually 3 in the afternoon almost, so I'll set it to 3. And 3 is very good. So there we go. So now that you've done that, you click on send test email, or email test as it says, and you write your email address. So you write your email address, you send test, and you should be receiving an email just like it should be. The reason why you want to send the test is if you have an error on your message or anything like that, you want to see it before you send it to your entire list, which can be, you know, tens of thousands of people, if not more. So you really want to make sure that you see it before. Now this may take a little while. Obviously, you know, it can take, you know, 10 minutes or something, maybe a lot less. It really depends. Sometimes mine takes 30 seconds, sometimes it takes a bit more. So I haven't received my message yet, but I will soon. There we go, I have received it now. So what you do is you go to your email, you check if everything's okay. I'm not going to do it because, you know, this is the tutorial, so there's no subscribers on this list, so I don't care if people get to subscribe or see if there's any errors. So once you've done that, you click on save and activate. You can also click on save, but you know, if everything's okay, there's no reason to do that, or unless you want to send it later. So you click on save and activate, and you know, you'll have a green message saying something like this: your campaign regular named example has been successfully saved and will start sending at this date and time. Okay, so once you've done this, this is all you have to do. Everything is fine. You've sent your message. Everything, you know, everything will be sent, and people will, you know, receive your email, and you know, everything will be perfect. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also, check out, you know, my channel. I've got plenty of videos on builderall, creating funnels and things like that. You know, usually builderall because it's the cheapest and most effective way to send emails. You know, I have a link in the description if you want to check it out. But if you want to check out more videos on how to make money online and all that stuff, everything is on my channel. So with that being said, again, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.